Hey there, YouTubers! Hi there, Dr. Sheep here. Welcome back to another DIY. Had to plug in my camera battery. Today we're working with Miss Wage's one-step pickling stuff, or pickling solution. So today you'll need a 16-ounce jar, half pound of cucumbers, pickling cucumbers, or so they fit in the jar, and a knife, and a refrigerator. So if this goes well, because I'm kind of into pickling right now, if this goes well, I get 20 views on this video, I'll, let's say 10 or 12 views on this video, and about minute 15's worth of retention time, then I'll consider, wow, my phone is going to go off this entire time, isn't it? I'll consider doing a second one where I'll actually, pickle properly, using like actual pickling, like salts and stuff, not just some one-step ready solution. Anyways, step one is to get a 16-ounce jar and clean it. Done. Next step is you have to cut the cucumbers up so they fit in the jar. Now, the way they say is to leave a 1/4 inch, or like about that much off the top, or somewhere, wherever. I'm gonna try and figure that out. So you just cut the tops off. Well, obviously that's not going to work, so I'll probably end up cutting this one in half, potentially. And that shouldn't really affect things. We'll see. I'm just going to stack it. I'm just going to pack them, cut them. It's going to take me a while. It's a short little video, and then I'll get back to when we pull this in. I just realized as I was sitting here cutting, this is a science channel, and we're doing a DIY, and we're talking about pickling. So what exactly is pickling? So basically what I'm doing is I'm preserving these cucumbers and adding some flavor. That's the dill flavor you get. You use dill or whatever flavoring you want when doing this. And what happens is you need to replace the water and and use up the oxygen, any excess oxygen in here, with something edible. And you need to stop the oxygen so that bacteria can't continue to break down your food. So to do that, you use a lot of salt, vinegar, and the recipe I always follow has alum in it. I really don't know what the alum is for. I think the alum typically is something to keep it preserved, whatever. I'm not sure. But anyways, the vinegar replaces the water, and the salt helps preserve it. Wow. And the vinegar will kill the bacteria and anything else that tries to consume your pickles, or your cucumbers. As you can already tell, I am not the best at packing these in here, so you may question why am I cutting out the tops? I don't think I explained that. Well, actually, if you got a big enough jar, but since this is a 16-ounce recipe, you're not gonna have a big enough jar. You have to. Wow, I might just draw a blank. You've got to cut the ends off so that the vinegar, the salt, and the solution, the flavoring, can get into the cucumber. Now, just 5-minute prep. My butt. I had to cut these. Whatever. This smells like straight pickle juice. Pour it in. Oh! Great. Fantastic. 16-ounce jar, sure. So, damn. I gotta remove these top ones. I added them thinking, oh, I'll get some more pickle out of this. No. That's not gonna work. They need to be more submersed in the pickling solution. Apparently. If I had some vinegar and stuff and some dill, I would try and just, you know, add them in there to add them in there, but I do not. That one can stay in there, it'll be fine. It should still pickle. And it says seal it up. That is like 2 inches. It says, what's it say here? Directions. Cut off in a pour to 1/2 inch headspace. Well, what? It's a 16-ounce jar. What? Yeah, I wouldn't use a 16-ounce jar. I'd use something a little smaller because this is ridiculous. All right, now we wait.
8 hours later.
To determine whether we've made pickles or pickle flavored cucumbers, pickles need to have a certain texture, almost kind of rubbery, if you will. So I'm going to be looking for that. So if we look at them here, well, the juice definitely has shrunk, and the tops of them are a little, you know, not exposed, but that's fine. And it's cloudy. It's kind of murky. I was doing that last night. So I'm probably going to aim for this one right here. Yep. Pickles flavored cucumber. Yep. They're like part of the way there, but they're not done. What is this? I mean, there's real potential there. I can definitely taste it. It's 8:56 in the morning. They said I could eat it. That's, you know, optimum amount of time. It's been well over 8 hours. These are still pickle flavored cucumbers. So, I deem this DIY a fail. Unlike, you know, I guess all my DIYs are kind of fails, aren't they? Well, if you want to see more, we gotta make sure we get this video to, like, I don't know, 3 likes, 10 views at 1 minute 15 second watch duration, and I'll consider making actual pickles, ones that will actually be pickles, not pickle flavored cucumbers like those, as I predicted. Well, anyways, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos every other Friday, 2 p.m. Central Time, and good night. Subs for trees, subs for trees, subs for trees, subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. finally stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.